I want to share my experience of 81 years life for you, so please listen my whole video. I'm 74 years old, and I realized too late that I was living someone else's life. Not in a dramatic way. Not in a way that would make a good story at a dinner table.
Just in the quiet, ordinary way a person wakes up one day and notices their own reflection feels unfamiliar.
I don't say this for sympathy. I'm not asking for forgiveness. I'm saying it because I don't have much time left, and this is the only truth that still feels worth telling. Most of my days are quiet now. The light comes in around the same time every day. I drink my coffee slowly because there's no reason to rush it anymore.
The phone rarely rings. When it does, it's usually a reminder about something medical, or a voice trying to sell me something I don't need. Sometimes I think about how loud my life used to be,
How full it felt, how busy, and how, somehow, it still managed to slip past me. When I was younger, I thought I was doing everything right. I wasn't reckless, I wasn't cruel, I wasn't irresponsible. I did what I was supposed to do. I followed the path that was laid out in front of me and told myself it was my own.
In my 20s, I took the job my father approved of. It wasn't my dream, but it was stable. It paid the bills. People nodded politely when I told them what I did. That felt important back then. I married someone kind.
Not someone I felt deeply known by, but someone who made sense on paper. Our families got along. Our plans matched. We both wanted children. We both wanted a house that didn't leak when it rained. And in some ways, it did. But there was always a small part of me that stayed quiet.
A part I kept promising I would listen to later. Later became years. My days filled up with routines, alarm clocks, commutes, meetings, groceries, repairs. Birthdays I remembered at the last minute.
Anniversaries I celebrated politely. I wasn't unhappy. That's the part that makes this hard to explain. I was functional. People think regret comes from obvious mistakes, big scandals, loud failures, broken lives. But mine didn't look like that. Mine looked like success from the outside. Thanks for watching my video. I will provide the next part in my next video, so stay with me.